Okay, so this is a demo tutorial of the online training program for best performance. All the programs start by you receiving access to an onboarding workout where we're able to look at different movement patterns, different exercises. You run through them, videotape them, send them back, and then I'm able to break down and see which exercises are needed most and which ones might be adverse either based off of movement patterns, restrictions, or possibly past injuries. You send me the videos, I'm able to look at your strengths, your weaknesses, and different movements that we might need to work on to get you strong and healthy. Once we have that, I then build a workout program for you, give you access. With that access, you're able to see your weights. You have video demos of all the exercises that you have to do in the workout program online using the app. And then finally from there, you are supposed to video the last set of every exercise, and then you send those to me. I'm able to look at, review them, see if there's any complications in the movement, if there's any movement patterns that might be a little off, and then we can progress and regress them. And I go through, give you feedback on all of them. That way, you're safe and sound when working out.